Hi everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis of videos on Friday 26th of January with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which again, as with other markets at the moment, has been very choppy yesterday. It actually gave a positive recovery candle, but how much traction can you get out of that? Well, it certainly sort of peaked at 109.76, having bottomed the previous session at 108.50, and has turned around today. You still look at these momentum indicators negatively configured on on the daily RSI, MACD lines, and stochastics, and you'd say selling pressure still returning in this market. 110.20 was that old low. That's a basis of resistance now overhead, and rallies are a chance to sell still. But you look at this hourly chart and you think, well, you've got this sort of recovery basis going on. There was a bullish divergence. There was a bullish divergence that we saw yesterday, and then on the price forming new lows, but the momentum indicators actually turning higher. Just actually more positively configured, interestingly, on the early RSI now. If you start to see the market just sort of finding a bit of support, 108.90 above that 108.50 level. So yeah, as with other markets, I'm still a little bit concerned that perhaps this this selling pressure has sort of overdone on the dollar, and we could start to be we could certainly be close to the end of the selling pressure near term at least, and we could sort of see a bit of a recovery, but you need to see more than we're seeing at the moment. But the dollar yen chart is another chart that's sort of a little bit up in the air as to, I mean, this selling pressure that's resumed overnight doesn't, I'm not necessarily convinced by it, because I think that the dollar is sort of is fairly close to a recovery of sorts. I'm not saying it's going to be a recovery that lasts for long, but a near-term recovery nonetheless. And just looking at this hourly chart here, the indicators are suggesting possibly that could be the case. 108.90 support needs to hold really, as the market needs to sort of start to build a higher low above 108.50. But yeah, just in the process possibly of a bit of a crossroads moment for dollar yen, as it is with several of the other pairs as well. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.